Help others. If money helps a man to do good to others, it is of some value, but if not, it is simply a mass of evil, and the sooner it is got rid of, the better. Uphold your ideals. Our duty is to encourage everyone in his struggle to live up to his own highest ideal, and strive at the same time to make the ideal as near as possible to the truth. Listen to your soul. You have to grow from the inside out. None can teach you, none can make you spiritual. There is no other teacher but your own soul. Be yourself. The greatest religion is to be true to your own nature. Have faith in yourselves. Nothing is impossible. Never think there is anything impossible for the soul. It is the greatest heresy to think so. If there is sin, this is the only sin to say that you are weak, or others are weak. All love is expansion, all selfishness is contraction. Love is therefore the only law of life. He who loves, lives, he who is selfish, is dying. Therefore, love for love's sake, because it is law of life, just as you breathe to live. You have the power, all the powers in the universe are already ours. It is we who have put our hands before our eyes and cry that it is dark. Learn every day. The goal of mankind is knowledge. Now this knowledge is inherent in man. No knowledge comes from outside, it is all inside. What we say a man knows, should, in strict psychological language, be what he discovers or unveils. What man learns is really what he discovers by taking the cover off his own soul, which is a mine of infinite knowledge. Try to be truthful. Everything can be sacrificed for truth, but truth cannot be sacrificed for anything. Think different. All differences in this world are of degree, and not of kind, because oneness is the secret of everything. Take calculated risks. Take risks in your life. If you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can guide. Be obsessed with your idea. Take up one idea, make that one idea your life. Think of it, dream of it, live on that idea. Let the brain, muscles, nerves, every part of your body be full of that idea, and just leave every other idea alone. This is the way to success. When you're stressed, meditate. Meditation can turn fools into sages, but unfortunately fools never meditate. Always learn to see good in others, learn everything that is good from others, but bring it in, and in your own way absorb it, do not become others. Work like a master. You should work like an expert and not as a worker. Work incessantly, but do not do a slave's work. Don't play the blame game, condemn none. If you can stretch out a helping hand, do so. If you cannot, fold your hands, bless your brothers and let them go their own way. Set yourself free. The moment I have realized God sitting in the temple of every human body, the moment I stand in reverence before every human being and see God in him, that moment I am free from bondage, everything that binds vanishes, and I am free.